Purafil Education Video Productions is pleased to present our 7-step instructions on media sampling for the deep bed scrubber. Purafil is committed to providing clean air solutions. Our technical services, including our complimentary media life analysis, allows us to project the life cycle and make suggestions to improve system performance. Before we begin, familiarize yourself with the kit you received after startup. Purafil provides a printed service guide for media sampling. In this guide, you will find additional information on pre-installation instructions, media sampling schedule, sampling procedures, certificate of analysis, warranty information, and special precautions, along with sample record and schedule. Purafil Media has a finite life, which is a function of the available active ingredients and the concentration of target contaminants present in the airstream. After startup, your local representative will work with you to periodically secure media samples. Purafil will at no charge provide regular laboratory analysis of such samples to establish life cycles. To take a media sample, you will need the following items: safety gloves, dust mask, media sampling probe, media sampling bags, and a weatherproof envelope or packaging. Purafil's media sampling probe is easy to open and close. Simply twist the handle and extend the probe open to collect the media, and then twist and pull back to close the probe. Let's begin our 7-step process for sampling media. Step 1. Turn your unit off or disconnect. Step 2. Prepare your sampling bags. Use 3 media sampling bags per bed. Use a marker to provide the information requested on the outside of each bag. Indicate increments measured 1 inch, 6 inch, and 12 inch with the bed number. Note, bed number 1 is the first bed in the direction of airflow. The SO and serial numbers can be found on the blue metal plate affixed to the outside of the unit below our commitment to quality label. To take a media sample from bed number 1, first remove the lid of the fill chute. Step 4. Obtain media sample. Make sure your media probe is closed, then insert it at the 1 inch increment halfway into the bed depth. Open the probe to obtain the sample, and then close it and remove the probe. Step 5. Bag the sample. Remove the perforated bag end and pour the contents of the media sampling probe into the plastic sample bag within 1 inch from its top and seal tightly. Remember to fill out the appropriate information, including the bed number and the increment that you tested, before pouring the media into the bag. Step 6. Repeat steps 3 through 5 for each bed increment of 1 inch, 6 inch, and 12 inch. Obtain all 3 samples from the same bed depth, then close the lid of the fill chute and latch. This is your 1 inch sample increment. Here is your 6 inch sample increment. And lastly, your 12 inch sample increment. Step 7. Repeat steps 2 through 6 for each successive media bid. Complete the sampling form and mail the samples to Purafil for analysis. This concludes our 7-step educational video production on media sampling for the deep bed scrubber. For questions or additional information, contact your local representative or Purafil directly at 800-222-6367 or visit us online at purafil.com.